Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious mango yogurt smoothie. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 ripe mango, about 1 cup of plain or vanilla yogurt, and 1/2 cup of milk. For equipment, grab a sturdy blender, a sharp knife, and a cutting board. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the mango. Carefully peel the mango, then slice the vibrant flesh away from the large, flat pit. Once separated, cut the mango flesh into small, 1-inch cubes. These smaller pieces will blend much more easily. For an extra frosty smoothie, you can even freeze these mango cubes for at least 2 hours beforehand. With your mango prepared, it's time to blend everything together. First, add the mango cubes into your blender. Next, pour in the 1 cup of yogurt and the 1/2 cup of milk. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If it seems too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk until it reaches your desired consistency. Your delicious mango yogurt smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a tall glass and savor the refreshing taste. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh mint sprig or a thin slice of mango. Feel free to experiment with other fruits or a dash of honey for sweetness. And hey, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.